Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88, and I'm here with my first video of 2021 to share a message about what I come to realize is my number one asset for me. And that's my health care, that's my health lifestyle, and that's me being more proactive in the pursuit of that, which I wasn't for so many years. And so some significant things happened to me in 2021. Number one, this is my 20th year worth of experience in this industry of tax preparation and taxation. Number two, 14 years as a business owner. And number three, I moved to a whole new city and got sick all at the same time. And so I haven't done videos in over 60 days. I'm back to create videos and to do live streams and do all the things I need to do inside my business to help me to work with my ideal client. And so that's what my coaching program is designed to do. It's designed to work with new people who looking to start their own tax preparation business. And so I come to realize as a result of internalizing what went on with me in 2021 by getting sick, by moving to a whole new city at the same time, and having 20 years experience, 14 years as a business owner, all that was significant in 2021 for me is that, hey, my number one asset is my health. It's the thing that's going to help me enjoy doing what I do already. It's going to be able to help me to enjoy helping other people to start and grow and build a foundation for success with their own tax preparation business like I'm already doing. And so if you understand that, hey, like me, your number one asset should be your health, because that's going to be the thing that's going to allow you to facilitate, start growing, and building a successful business, no matter what business model you choose to decide, is real important. And so I'm proactive with that. I come to understand that through my mindset shift and internalizing what happened to me in 2021. And so that's a message that I'll talk about uh, throughout this year in certain videos to just keep the message strong and fresh that my number one asset for me is my healthcare. So if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business, you need a mentor and coach who has experience to help you make it happen in 2021. Reach out to me with my contact information. Let's talk. Let's connect. Let's see if we're a good fit for working with one another. And if we are, I'm gonna lay down the ground rules and the framework for what it's gonna take for you to be successful in this industry, and what it's gonna take for you to make it happen for yourself. Cause see, I'm your tour guide. I'm the person that's gonna guide you on the successful path to uh, freedom, but you got to be the one that's going to do the work. And that's how that's going to go. And if you're not going to be the one to do the work, then whatever type of success you get inside your business is what it's going to be. And you got to be only mad at yourself, not me, because I'm here just to give you what I have that's going to help you to be successful. But if you don't do the work, you don't implement it, you don't carry it out, then the only person you can be upset is yourself. And that's why I had to do a better job in 2021 is laying the framework for up here on who I'm looking to work with, what I'm looking for you to be willing to do that's going to help you to be successful with starting your own tax preparation business is crucial. And so I did do a good job there in 2020. And so I worked with several people, and those several people are not here because they didn't understand that, hey, this is something that you got to enjoy doing. You got to have a burning desire or a passion for it already. It can't be about the money, not this here. Maybe something else, but this can't be about the money. So again, back on track with the number one asset for 2021 that I come to understand through my experience of the first of the year was that, hey, I got to be more proactive with my health care and my health lifestyle, because that's going to allow me to enjoy my business in 2021 on a whole nother level. And you want to have that same idea, that same mindset, that same approach, because if your number one asset is not your health care and your health lifestyle, then trying to start and build and grow a business is going to be frustrating. If you constantly sick, you constantly having emotional, mental, and physical issues because you're not taking seriously your overall health. And so that's my message in this video, that my number one asset in 2021 and beyond is my health care and my health lifestyle. And so for people looking to start their own tax preparation business, my coaching program is designed to work with you and help you make that happen for yourself. And the call to action today is contact information in all my videos. Call me up if you're ready to take action. Call me up if you just need enough information that's going to inspire you and motivate you to take action. I can help you do that. by us getting on the phone and giving you some information and some education that you probably haven't heard before. That's going to allow you to make a decision to get started in 2021 towards your goals and dreams of starting your own tech production business. And I definitely see you in my next video.